name's Vaux and I'm a designer with Craftsuprint.com. Today I'd like to show you how to make my new mini 3D pop-up cards. I have quite a few different styles available, and today we're going to be looking at how to make the Giraffe 3D pop-up card. This is the sheet that we'll be using today. You can see any of my designs by going to www.craftsuprint.com/Vaux. The cup number for this is cup 176917_10. The tools that you're going to need to be able to make the 3D minis: you're going to need adhesive or tape. I'm using tape just for quickness, scissors, an embossing tool, and something to be able to enable you to make an embossing folded line. I'm personally using my cutting board because it secures the card under the flip and it holds it in place for me. Once you've printed off your sheet, you're going to see that there's actually only 4 elements on the sheet. There's the outer card, there's the inner pop-up section, there's a label, and then the design. I've also included basic instructions on the sheet. However, there is a full photo tutorial that will be available on the website and in the forum. So we're going to start off and we're going to cut out all the elements that are in the sheet. And to save a little bit of time, I've already done this. So we've got the folded card, we've got the inner, we've got the design and the little label. I'm going to start off by taking the folded card, the outer section, and I'm going to use my embossing tool, slide it in. I'm just going to turn it round so that I can see, and we're literally going to score down and to be able to give it a nice neat fold like so. So that's the outer of the card. We're going to take the inner of the card that has actually got not only the fold line down the middle, but it's got the guidelines that we're going to make little snips and the actual guidelines to make a fold. So it sounds quite complicated, but trust me, it isn't. We're going to make one score line down the centre as if we're making a folded card, and then on the 2 dotted lines at either side we're going to just score those, run the scoring tool along those like so, and on the other side like so. Take that out, put them block to one side. Now where we've made the scoring line down the middle, we're going to fold the card like so, as if we're making a normal folded card, and then we're going to take our scissors and we're going to snip along the line, the guideline, like so, and at the other side like so. Once you've done that, open your card out like this, and from underneath you're just going to push the middle section out, and as you fold the inner together like so, you'll end up with the little pop-up section in the middle. So you're going to turn that over and put some tape on the back like so. You're also going to decide which edge you want to go in the folded, if you want the giraffe pattern at the bottom or the pink at the bottom. I kind of like the giraffe at the bottom, so I'm going to use that. And then you're going to take a tiny little bit of tape or adhesive and you're going to put it just on this section of the pop-up, like so, just there. Okay, so now we're going to take our section, take the tape backing off, make sure we've got the card the right way around, and we're going to slot the middle into the card like so. So that's what you end up with. Got the card and the pop-up. Now where we put the adhesive on here, we can take the backing off and we can put our little design up to the edge, squeeze it together, fold the card just to make sure the adhesive's taken, and then the label we can literally put in position like that, and there we have a finished card, mini pop-up. Okay, I'd like to thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget